Good afternoon, my name is Greg. I'm from the YMCA Employment Services here in Waterdown. We also service clients living in the Flamborough area or live in some of the communities such as Carlisle, Push Lynch, Millgrove, people on the borderline of Hamilton who possibly live in Dundas, as well as might live in Burlington communities such as Aldershot. We're open Monday to Friday, 8:30 to 4:30. We have a resource center where people can drop by and get assistance as needed. It's available for a self-directed search. We also provide one-on-one job search assistance. So clients can make an appointment to speak with one of our employment counselors to get that one-on-one job search advice, which could be to get, look at possibly retraining through one of the government-funded programs such as Second Career, self-employment, information on apprenticeships and trades, people that might be looking to see what other skills they can do. We do free career assessments, mock interviews, job search. Clients that are interested in meeting with one of our employment advisors can call us at 905-690-9927. Like I said, we'll answer the phone Monday to Friday, 8:30 to 4:30. We can make an appointment for them to see a client counselor for a new appointment Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays between 9 and 3. And we just ask that they bring an updated, just a copy of their resume and their social insurance number, and then we can get them the help that they need. And once again, there's no charge to use any of our services. They're all free. Our office is located right in the central part of Waterdown. We're at 35 Main Street North, Unit 31. For those people that are familiar with Waterdown, it's right beside the Waterdown Post Office. We're in the same 3-story building as the Jitterbug Cafe. So anyone, we also have free parking. So if they just come through the side entrance, ride the elevator up in the lobby to the 3rd floor, that's where we are, Unit 31. We're right near the main intersection of Main Street and Dundas. So if anyone's familiar with the Royal Bank and the Royal Coachman, that's where we are. If anyone needs any directions, feel free to give our office a call at 905-690-9927. We can definitely provide that help.